If you need to improve your wafer-level packaging productivity and lower your costs, then consider this fluxless electron attachment solution. Electron Attachment, or EA, uses non-flammable hydrogen-nitrogen blends to replace traditional flux chemistries for wafer-level packaging, including wafer bump and copper pillar reflow. Electron Attachment has several benefits to improve your process. It enhances bump reflow quality because the flux-induced solder voids and wafer contaminations naturally disappear. Productivity is improved by having inline process capability, eliminating post-wafer cleaning and avoiding furnace downtime for cleaning. This allows you to reduce your costs associated with cleaning equipment, cleaning solution, and flux. By eliminating flux exposure and using a non-toxic and non-flammable gas mixture, EA helps to improve your safety. And by eliminating organic vapors, hazard residues, and carbon dioxide emissions and reducing the use of water, your environmental issues are also reduced. Air Products has partnered with Sakama International to introduce the Electron Attachment Fluxless Reflow System. Air Products has installed the EA technology system into Sakama's UP1200, their latest state-of-the-art 300mm capable reflow oven. The control system has a slate of recipes for a stepped and controlled startup of the EA technology reflow system. Wafers enter via a robotic wafer handling unit where they make contact with the rollers that carry them into the furnace system. It can handle up to a 300mm wafer and process 60 wafers per hour. As they travel along, first the metal oxide on the solder bumps is removed in the EA zones. Then the solder bumps will reflow to their proper shape in the reflow zone. The key to EA is the activation of the hydrogen gas in the gas mixture. The preheat, EA, and reflow zones have a 4% hydrogen, 96% nitrogen blended non-flammable atmosphere. The other zones have a 100% nitrogen atmosphere. Hydrogen levels are carefully monitored to ensure safety of the system. The system has 8 EA modules on 2 EA pin plates. Each module has numerous emitter pins, which will emit low-energy electrons that collide with the hydrogen gas molecules. The EA pin plates are powered with pulsed DC voltage. Electrons are emitted out of the pins. Some of the emitted electrons collide with the hydrogen molecules to dissociate them into atomic hydrogen anions. The electrical field directs the atomic hydrogen anions to the wafer. On the wafer surface, the oxides on the solder bump are reduced. Notice how the EA process has removed the metal oxide from the solder bump and then reflowed to the proper bump height and diameter, and compare that to the wafer that was processed in a flux-based process. Let's talk about how electron attachment technology can bring a new dimension to your wafer-level packaging process with increased productivity and quality at lower costs.